Pigeon Forge. We just got up. Yesterday we ate Walmart breakfast sandwiches for breakfast, and they weren't really satisfying, so today we're actually going to walk to a restaurant and see if we can get an actual breakfast. We left the bikes at the hotel because it's only going to be like a half-mile walk. Hopefully we can find something actually good to eat. The rest of the day we've got some pretty good plans going. It is also the first day it's been kind of overcast and not sunny, but it's not supposed to rain. Although it probably rained a little last night. It's been raining about every night. Today we're planning on riding the Foothills Parkway pretty much from Wares Valley all the way down to US 129. And we're gonna ride the Dragon, and then we're gonna ride the Cherry-Hollow Skyway from Dragon all the way up to Tellico Plains, and then we have to figure out how to get back. Getting there, we've got that all planned out. Getting back, we haven't really figured out yet. That's a little Pigeon River and some kind of bike path. I'd like to come down here with the mountain bikes and just ride around. I think it'd be fun. Some other guys on Gold Wings, and I don't know what that second bike was, but it looked a lot better than Gold Wing. Victor? Yeah, it looked a lot better than Gold Wing. We just finished breakfast at the Brick and Spoon. Get a little footage of the sign and the building. I didn't know if they were going to let me film in there, so I didn't. But the breakfast was freaking awesome. Dad tore into two breakfast tacos, which were apparently more messy than he thought they were. Apparently tacos aren't supposed to be messy in his mind. Don't know how that worked out. And I had to tear it into a big old omelet. It's great. Do recommend if you all ever come down here. All right, so we're waiting on it to warm up a little bit because it looks like it's currently snowing down on the Dragon, or raining, one of the two, which isn't really too good for motorcycle riding. On the bright side, it's starting to clear up a little bit, the sky is, so hopefully we can get some kind of riding in today. If you look over there towards the mountains though, it's kind of gray, but back that way it's starting to clear up, so hopefully that moves this way. And I'm gonna let you guys see what I broke yesterday. So right here there used to be a knob, so my bike's carbureted, and usually there's a knob right here that you use to pull out to choke it. The knob broke off yesterday, so that's fun. Hopefully we get some riding today. The weather's looking like it's starting to clear up. It's still kind of cold. I'll probably still be wearing my big gloves, my jacket. I was hoping we get down here and it'd be like 70 degrees and I could wear my tank top and my vest all day, and I don't think it's gonna happen. That's the view from our first stop that we've made on the Foothills Parkway. We've made it to the first road that we're really going to ride today. That's the Foothills Parkway. We turn my light off. I keep forgetting to do that. Anyway, first road we're going to ride today, really going to ride, is the Foothills Parkway. And we're going to ride it all the way down to 129, which is the Dragon. The skies start to clear up a little bit. We kind of rode into Gatlinburg and tried to ride the Roaring Fork Motor Nature Trail, but it was kind of the top part of it that goes up over the mountain was closed, so we still got to ride a little bit of it. But now we're going to try to get down to the Dragon. Hopefully it's not wet or snowy, because they were calling for snow by the time we get down there. So far, the Foothills Parkway, though, big sweeping curves. I mean, we're riding 45 to 60 miles an hour sometimes. Which is over the speed limit, but it's alright. Evidently. So I'm not going to film that. I'm going to get back over here to the view. I didn't bring my actual camera with me, which I didn't really want to in case, you know, something would happen and I would go down or something and it gets broke. This GoPro, on the other hand, just got like a bulletproof suit on it or something, so it should be fine. There's the view. Observation point. We're not going to walk up to the actual tower because it's like a half mile and we're riding clothes and that just doesn't sound like a good time. But we are going to go out to the Look Rock. Sun's starting to come out. The view is great. A little way off in the distance, it's kind of foggy, but you know that's how Smoky Mountain works. What's that lake way over there?
Don't know.
Don't know? Okay, cool.
I think that's probably the lake that's right down at the beginning of the Dragon, I think.
Gotcha.
I could be wrong.
dragon. So we're down here at the Deals Gap Motorcycle Resort. It's pretty crazy. He got me a shirt that says I survived the dragon. Dad got kind of mad 'cause he had to wait up on me every 5 miles, he said.
No, 5 times in 11.
5 times in 11 miles. But I was kind of going kind of slow because I didn't want my bike to end up on the tree of shame. So, glad I didn't. It's kind of a cool place though, down here at the motorcycle resort, and then up there there's the Killboy Tail of the Dragon apparel or something like that. I don't know. We're going to check that out too. And then we're heading down to Fontana and the ShareAlike Skyway.